Celebrate TNN's third anniversary with an April full of great music, comedy, variety, specials, and sports. Beginning April 6th, we'll expand our coverage to bring you Sports Sunday, a full day of your favorite sports every Sunday. April 6th also marks the premiere of Hidden Heroes, a behind-the-scenes look at the unsung heroes of motorsports, and Wish You Were Here, a recreational travelogue series spotlighting popular RV destinations. The day continues in high gear with driving legend Big Daddy Don Garlits on Garlits, the video biography. Then Sunday the 13th, hold on tight as the fastest and best compete to find out who's the world's greatest timed event cowboy. It's more Rough Riding Sunday the 20th when the world's best rodeo cowboys compete at the Mesquite Championship Rodeo, a TNN series premiere. Great country music and more. April on TNN.